Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Zoominfo for lead generation. So as you can see, I am already on the website. So all you have to do is to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for zoominfo.com and you would be directed to this website. Okay, so once you're here, you have the options at the top. We have the free trial, the contact sales, and the logged in. So if you don't have an account yet, just simply tap on the free trial. And then if you have your business email with you, your full name, your phone number, and your job title, you just have to info those informations right here in these fields. Then after that, you just have to tap on the submit option, and then you just have to wait for their update in order for you to use their demo tool. But currently, since we cannot really access the demo, I'm still going to discuss to you the different things that you need to know in order for you to consider the Zoom info. So for the solutions, as you can see, we have here the sales development, the account executive, the account management, the rev ops, and then the demand generation. So for the sales development, okay, so here you can cut through the noise, focus on what converts. So the AI prioritizes your highest potential accounts and surfaces the verified contact data. So you spend less time researching and more time choosing. Okay, so here, this is how it looks like. And for the account executive, okay, so here, as you can see, the Zoom Info's AI delivers the complete buyer context instantly. Org charge, the decision maker intel, engagement history, and next best actions. So every conversation moves the deal forward. Next one is we have the account management. So again, the Zoom Info's ASR faces the signals that matter. So hiring surges, tech changes, budget shifts, and intense spikes. So you can reach out with value before the competition, even though something's happening. So for the Rev Ops, dirty data and disconnected tools kill the execution. So the Zoom Info's AI unifies your systems and reaches records in real time and triggers intelligent workflows, giving your team one source of truth that drives the action. Now for the demand generation, so you can launch campaigns that hit the pipeline's goals, not just the metrics. So the AI powered segmentation and intent data help you target in market buyers with precision, build high performing campaigns faster, prove ROI sooner, and stop wasting budget on cold accounts. Okay, here you can identify the growth segments, so you can find your next best customers faster. You can use the firmographic, technographic, and the intent data to uncover the high potential segments and prioritize outreach based on buying signals and the revenue potential. And of course, you can connect with the people who matter most, access decision makers, orgs chart, and the real time intent insights to personalize your outreach, boost the response rates, and move deals forward faster. And here, of course, keep your funnel moving. So automatically route leads to the right reps based on the account fit, territory, and buying stage. So sync enrich data to your CRM and trigger real-time follow-up workflows. So you have those right here. Now the next one is to grow, retain, and win more with every customer. So you can use the Zoom Info's AI-driven account intelligence to identify expansion opportunities and cover the new stakeholders and remove the friction from every stage of the deal cycle. So first off is the reveal account insights. So leverage AI to uncover the strategic intelligence on your account. So key decisions makers, orgs challenge, pain points, and usage trends all in one view. So you'd be able to see those right there. Next one is to spot the ideal buyers. So you can find your revenue path by surfacing hidden stakeholders uncovering multi-threaded buying groups, and identifying white space within existing customers. Next one is simplify the deal progression. So you can accelerate the deals with the AI guided workflows that reduce the manual effort, equip your team with the context, the content, and next phase actions needed to grow deals faster. Next one is to maximize the reproductivity with clean data and smart automation. So you can drive more pipeline with less manual work. Zoominfo helps you enrich data at scale, automate sales processes, and prioritize high value opportunities so your reps can spend more time selling. So you can manage the data beyond the CRM, automatically enrich and cleanse contact and company records across your tech stack. So, not just your CRM, you can keep your data accurate, up to date, and always sales ready. Next one is to create dynamic territories. So, build smarter territories using the real time firmographic and intent signals. Prioritize the right accounts in the right regions and adjust quickly as the markets shift. Next one is to prioritize the high value accounts. Use AI powered scoring and buying signals to surface accounts most likely to convert. So just focus reps on the deals that matter most at the right time. Okay, so of course, GTM Data Universe, it gain a complete view of your customers, know who they are and how they need, and the best time to reach them. And built to connect so seamlessly align sales, marketing, and operations with unified data that works across your tech stack. And of course, it is agent ready. So automate repetitive tasks with the AI so your team can focus on building a relationship and closing the deals. Okay, so again, we have here the different products at the top. So for the product, we have the Zoom Info Copilot, the GTM Studio, so sales, talent, data as service. We also have the GTM Workspace, Zoom Info MCP. So the marketing, the operations, and for the platform, we have the cloud partner. So we also have the platform overview, the marketplace, and for the professional services, we have the labs in our data services. So if you want to know more about the info, more information about this section, so you just have to visit their website. And then after that, if you are eligible to use their demo, then they will going to send that to the email that you have provided. Okay, so here, for example, this one. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.